Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the physical connections now. First, set the projector level and secure it. Small angle errors amplify on screen. Once stable, plug in the power and switch the unit on. Next, connect your video source using HDMI for best quality. If you have VGA or USB-C adapters, attach them now and tighten screws or connectors. Make sure source device is powered and awake, and that input cables click firmly. This prevents signal dropouts when you proceed to input selection. Once done with connections, choose the matching input on the projector menu so the device receives the signal. If nothing appears, cycle input slowly while watching the source. Then, fine-tune image geometry. Use focus to sharpen edges, zoom to fit the screen, and keystone to correct trapezoid distortion. One small keystone fix avoids skewed content. Make brightness and contrast adjustments for the room lighting. You want clear text without blown highlights. And check color temperature for natural tones. To finish, verify audio routing so sound plays from the correct device. Switch projector speakers on or send audio to an external system using the audio out. Secure the projector or mount, and enable eco or lamp saver mode to cut noise and extend lamp life. If problems persist, try one key troubleshooting tip. If there is no image, disconnect and receipt cables, confirm the projector input matches the source, and set the source resolution to a standard mode. Often a mismatched resolution or loose cable is the culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.